is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie's Happiness and Retirement channel coming at you. And today I'm going to talk about sweet potatoes and how you can utilize every bit of the sweet potato plant. Now, I didn't know this until I started growing sweet potatoes in my retirement garden about a year ago. But you can eat the leaves. Now, I'm going to show you what I do to process my sweet potato leaves. Let's get to it. All right, so the sweet potato bed right here, this is all sweet potatoes, is getting a little overgrown. And as my mom says, you don't want it to take over your whole entire yard because it will do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to cut some nice fresh greens off of some of the shoots. With my shears here, and basically that's what you get. You get sweet potato greens just like that, nice little leaves, and that's what I'm going to use. I can make a salad out of it, stir fry, whatever. And I'm going to put these in a bag, wash them, put them in a bag, and put them in the fridge, and they'll last for a good couple weeks. And we can use them in, like I said, a stir fry, salad, whatnot. So anyway, if you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out and thanks so much.